Welcome to the Integrated Feminine Online Symposium. This is a 10-week online course with lifetime access to all of the recordings. Would you like to be guided by 70 top feminine experts in how to flourish in relationships, sexuality, business, fitness, leadership, and finance? This online course will support you to activate your feminine power, build stronger emotional intelligence, manifest the partner of your dreams, discover your natural intuition and psychic abilities, master feminine-led business, and leave the legacy you were born to leave. The feminine energy on this planet is rising and awakening. Are you ready to be part of this shift and truly birth a new world order? The feminine is here to rise, to lead, and to awaken. It is happening in male and female bodies for those who feel the call to deeply lead and love from the wisdom in their heart. This feminine symposium is for those who are willing to listen more deeply to the voice of their heart and intuition and allow the fire of inner transformation to burn away what no longer serves. An old paradigm is ending. Chaos and destruction will continue to happen all around us, but a deeper calling is being birthed. A birthing that celebrates intuition as a discipline for new age leadership. A birthing that celebrates love and emotional intelligence as a gateway towards inspired and right action. A birthing that supports the feminine inside all of us to surrender to a deeper truth. When the feminine feels safe to express her wisdom and leadership, then humanity will actually begin to awaken and step forward into a whole new paradigm of existence. What is required in these changes are individuals willing to step into the fire of transformation, the chrysalis that enables us to face the demons and patterns inside our unconscious beliefs and transmute poison into nectar for inspiration and growth. If you are ready to step into inspired feminine action, if you are ready to step into owning all of your shadows, if you are ready to invite more bliss, sensuality, playfulness, and joy into your life, and if you are ready to learn from some of the greatest minds, hearts, and beings on this planet, then you are ready for this online symposium. Come join us for 10 weeks of absolute mind-opening, heart-opening material. You will receive a new workshop delivered to your email inbox every day for the next 3.5 months. You will receive all the recorded content for lifetime access. You can get all of this for a super low price today. Simply click below or go to integratedfeminine.com to sign up. The symposium is here to support the thriving and rising feminine inside all of us. We are in an incredible time to be alive. Come learn from the best and change the trajectory of your entire life. There are 70 teachers ready to share their wisdom with you so that you can live a life of grace, power, love, and authentic truth. See you in there.